Then we waited on the road in front of helipad, and we waited 20 minutes for that reason. And even when we are on the sky, it may be for security reason, we don't mind for that, we don't have any objection. Then also we move about 10-15 minutes. That we don't mind because it depends on security, Prime Minister's security, we give priority to that. Then we reach there. When we reach there, we have seen that Prime Minister already reached there. So we said that when Prime Minister already reached there, we have to go to Digha and we are coming from too far. It is only because of Prime Minister to give him respect. We thought it is our duty to meet and after cyclone to submit our report. Then myself along with Chief Secretary Alapon Bandyopadhyay, he was travelling with me from the beginning. So when we reached there, then they said us, you sit in a room. We are sitting there. After 10-15 minutes, we asked that please allow us to meet Prime Minister 1 minute. Vivek Shohay, our Chief of Security Director, he asked SPG that please tell Prime Minister, convey this that CM wants to meet him only 1 minute to hand over the. She will not disturb. Then they said SPG, 1 hour का बाद बोलिए, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा. Then also he informed us, and we were sitting quietly. Then through somebody we came to know that they went to conference room. Then myself and Alapon, we thought that instead of attending the meeting, it is better if you go to the conference room where meeting was held. They have shown some vacant chair. It may be earlier, it may be after that. It's a fact that there was no need to sit there at that time. Because the meeting, earlier it was decided, PM and CM, but later on, it was totally revised list has been given.